Welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Yes, the market hasn't been great the past couple of days. I would even say some of the past couple of weeks, but there are some things flying under the radar. And I know I haven't really researched many new meme coins, but I did find something that I do like. And what I'm basically trying to do is give you guys as many opportunities with me as possible to keep 10, 100, or maybe even 1,000 Xing. This one that I've been looking at is slowly creeping up the charts, which is why I'm finding so much value in it. And when you guys see this much price action, you're going to understand why people are watching this closely. So make sure you stick around because I'll be breaking down all the details from start to finish. Also, some major crypto news just dropped. The White House right now is going to be hosting its first ever crypto summit. According to Crypto Rover's tweet and many others that I've seen this morning, this event could influence US regulatory prices, impacting investor sentiment and hopefully reshaping our entire trading strategies. And with future regulations like this possibly affecting exchanges and trading practices, this is something every crypto investor or anybody in crypto needs to keep their eye on. Let's also talk about Lemmy the Bat. This is right now the first AI powered meme coin, BAT, that blends AI tech, meme culture, and real community-driven innovation. Lemmy is part of a larger creative universe and inspired by Matt Fury style aesthetic, right? That's why I like that. And it's bringing AI-generated animated series, voice synthesis, and interactive storytelling to the crypto space. So let's actually check out the website and talk about what it looks like. We're also going to look at their X page because we always need to check a project's X page. And then my favorite part is going to be the DEX screener. So here is, oh, there we go. There's the site. Okay, so it's the, first off, what I like right off the bat is it's made with really, really well done code. It doesn't look like a cheap, shitty project that they threw together. They've got all the details. They break it down. It's audited by Solid Proof, which is a very, very reputable company. I love it when their contracts are renounced. Their liquidity is locked, and we're always going to double check that. And it is community feedback implemented frequently. I like seeing projects that give a shit what we have to say, right? Let's see what they're about as. Very, very tight. It just explains exactly the meme, the structure of it, and then the tokenomics, right? That's not bad. 5% for promotion, 10% for exchange listings. That's pretty good. I don't love that it's 10% to the team, but I do understand. You got to pay to keep it running, and then 75% to the community. That's awesome. It's opposite of what Trump did, and that thing hit a lot more money. Okay, you got to think about that. So the opportunity is way more available, something like this. Oh, this is so tight. They did it really, really good. They used the hell out of the AI. Yeah, and they did it really, really well. So this is basically their roadmap. We've got their Great Awakening, they're calling it, and their target market cap is anywhere up to 500K, right? And once they get to that, which they already surpassed that, they're going to go to the wing spread, which is about 2.5 to 5 million. And then their phases are 15 to 25 and then 100 million with their fourth and final phase. So let's look at the chart just so we can see what the market cap did get to so far. And you guys, that you want to find projects that have had this scalability, even if they had a big pullback. That's normal. That is so normal in meme coin world. We are going to be able to rebound on this downtrend only because it's looking like we're at a really, really good right now resistance level. So we do want it to break out of here, and I think it has the potential to, especially because it's a lot lower liquidity. The market cap's also only 304,000 and liquidity is locked, as they say. I love that. We also want to take a look at the top traders. We can see the most amount pulled out of here is $9,000. You guys, that's nothing. That's awesome. That's a very, very supported project by the buyers. It also does not look like there's a lot of free tokens generated. Look at this. We only have a $600 one here, 311, 309. This is a very, very, very well done project. 188, 250. That is nothing when it comes to people pulling liquidity out of this thing. And that's a very, very good opportunity for it to be able to bounce back. I mean, let's think about it. It does need to go up about 200% to reclaim its all-time highs, but that's only because it's a low market gem, right? It's a low market cap gem. Once we get back to higher market cap numbers, we are going to need a little bit more liquidity to be able to push it. Now, the Twitter page, what we see here, just built it out. So it's new. Right. But what I like about it is I've seen a lot of projects build out their new stuff, but then they sit there and then they flood it with bull crap. Right. And what I mean by that is they flood it with fake views, fake comments. These are the type of projects I feel confident in, and I'm willing to actually invest for either A, the long run, or B, look for quick gains that in the long run will turn into good potentials. And what I like to do is dollar cost in or even dollar cost out as we start gaining some big moves. Now, I do know on the back end, they are making some big moves. And with this first ever White House Crypto Summit on the horizon, we're going to see some big changes happen in the market. I want to know what you guys think. Will something like Lemmy take off, or how will regulations actually just kind of impact all of crypto trading? Do drop your comments below. I actually really like reading them. I like you guys' thoughts. And if you did find this video helpful, please do me a favor, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these updates. More crypto breakdowns and market insights coming your way. As always, you guys, please do your research. Please double check. It's always important in the crypto world. But until next time, stay informed, stay prepared, and most important, stay ahead. Peace out, everyone.